Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find battery cycle count and battery manufacture date in any Pixel smartphones. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the settings and now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here about phone, just click on it. Now just scroll down below again. Now you'll see here one option, battery information, just click on it. Now here you will see on the first list the manufacture date of my respective battery. So you can see the manufacture date on this respective date. This Pixel smartphone's battery has been manufactured, and at the bottom here you will see here cycle count. So total number of cycle counts of my battery is this much, as you can see here. So by using this inbuilt option you can easily find battery cycle count and battery manufacture date in Pixel smartphones very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.